Okay, Brian, the Weather Channel says 23 below zero. Our outside thermometer says 20.9 below zero. And if we walk over here on the stove, we have a pot of boiling water. So now I'm going to give the camera to Sharon, and we're going to do your experiment. It's rolling. Turn off the stove so we don't burn the house down, because that would not be good. Watch out, boys.
Back up.
We got a light on outside, so you should be able to see.
Stay. Stay. Wait. What is it supposed to do?
I don't know. It didn't freeze in the end. It just fell.
It turned to dust.
It did dusty. Did you see it fall in there? It didn't. That one feels kind of cold.
Okay.
There's your experiment.
And you're in a t-shirt. Let me stop. Stop.